Assassin, aka Agent Sasko.
Yeah, massive. You know the thing over there, Yush. After the stage, watch on the Dr. Jim and carry them through. So that's the rest of the one. Yeah, man, oh, I say, come on. Everybody, I say, my head in troubles, I know the vibe. And when we say everybody carry on, we can attack on. When we say big up every massive and we big up every crew, you know so nobody dance like a like. So then, put your hand on the knee. Oh, that it don't really matter if it's only that 20. So if I don't know, say the pocket of the empty. Put your hand on the knee. Hold on, let me check, hold on. I'm on to dance and massive, you know what's happening up here tonight. If I hear a boat close your body, you just put your hand. See all the ladies at the place, they're looking fine, they say look, you see them in a dance hall. But right now, put your man. It is on a level, I want to make a loss already. Leave up all who jump up and sign away if you come in, make me see that at the end, and if you pay if you come in, babe, put your man. Hey, watch out, come on, say, come on, now we say. So, hold on, pull up, what's going on? Good night, Josh. If you are hear me say, whoa. When I hear me, alright, tell me which one better. That one, yeah? That one, no, sir?
That one there.
No, that one, I must that one, yeah. Alright, so from it near me, Yosh. Don't tell a lie, Papa, I never forward out in the 90s, see? I forward out 2000 now. 2001, how you come from?
Hey.
Dr. Chick, make some play now, you should have. Let me see what I want there. So now we need to forward out, some forward in 2000. Check. Is everybody up on phone, you better smart with your phone. Press and then, once you don't on your phone, check on the first come on. Turn on the thing, then get phone. Until they never got to tell them. Check, go make it. Alright, but now you're all gone. Juggle it! Them song I did jump back to back. Remember that one now? No song I used to do. I don't know that anymore. If you remember, you put on the suit. If I would have gone say, you want to go now? Clean out people, hey! Tell the bad mind one day. If they would only one. As I call up in there. That would have get bad. I'm getting cross. I'm like, we tell them. You're not mind it. Familiar that people. You don't know some mind with us people. Can so hypocrites and bad mind. Some of them are trash people. Them not like when we step on the don't the thing to keep, but they young the people. So they no say them try this push them. They make the news report. This is from a little bit of your sneak out. Yes, I'm here after me a sneak out. Me girl don't know the man when they sleep out and come in the next morning we go. Some Jews will leak out. Them the man boy better than can't report. And the time some guy, one more time to stand with the bad man on them. Say, if they would only and some man up in there, that would get back. Juggle it. Tell them. Alright. We got the genius back already now. All the clean out people in the genius. Tell them something not all them can't do it. Only say nothing not. Them attack about nothing not all. Over here, them like half a million talk to me. Listen. No rifle, no shotgun, no one pop. They not time, not a border. So them a bad man, so them want to see the man stop. Them want to set up, them say the wrong job. Put up your hand, then if you know, say the sun shot. I make you finger like a gun, but say one shot. No, son, now pull up. Now I have to try that again. Remember, say Blank legal everywhere, you know. Put up your hand, then if you know, say the sun shot. I make you finger like a gun, but say one shot. Alright. So them say, it's Assassin versus Agent Sasko. Now draw for some definite assassin now, because they may like well early 2000 you attack all 3 or 3 them here. See? So we see a thing I say, call out the infantry. Let me see what I'm going on your show. Hey, don't tell them so we can't pray, but we hold it now. Come from them, but we're cold now. I heard them, that's what I'm saying, I'm a soldier. Now you we are sleep on them. Yeah, we the boot of it. I come a red on them. We are sleep on them. Show them a crazy, no see the ghost step on them. Like we sleep on them. We go down to the sun and it's step on them. We sleep on them. We have a song on it said. Don't even mind day. Never yet have none good to say. The take are in our display. Bad mind day would like to take. But unto the Almighty we pray. For his guidance every day. Never know dream weekend. We so no bad mindset. True with us some of it I kill them. True them here we get and kill them. That's the many boys I kill them. No they don't have no answer them. So we are sleep on them. We are sleep on them. Alright, the two goes to sleep. Drop that one down. The ladies on the fire one close down and they can move on to the woman. That is the idea. Go and go tell them. If it's a game, ready to play it on. If it's a, hey, let me go. It's a mic and back. We need to dance on the way. And the people there. I said, we are the. Some must stand there. Them families we have the. There's a cover girl. I'm on. We both see. You see, I thought we got them come out in a night. You have a raw song for them. Remember a song on it's got somebody very special. Say, take good. Boy, wanna ride. The pretty girl them sing, say. Because I suppose me tell you, say. Man in a forward on the show for go lock off now. You ready for down the yard yet? But you ready for go on it? Ah, this one for me now, hey. Man go tell them, so we no business, no 2 o'clock. Them gonna never try that. Ah, yeah. If you enjoy yourself for 3 weekends, say what? Never upset. The people then too look up in at them. Then I be a big tune and play people all out. The ladies say me look good all the time. I want to look good tonight, you know. But the ladies say me look good all the time. Say, whoa. All the time, I say, you know. All the time. I mean, wrap up your head at night time or something. Because some of the head wrap them cute, but some of them, you can't tie your head with a big bump on the back like what my mother used to do. No. You have some of the cute head that all the one with a little Velcro at the front. You know? And the bonnet can't big up on herself. I don't know how cute at the bonnet. I want to got money with all the time. Play that song for them three. The ladies are there. All right. Check. Mr. The girl with all the time. Yeah, cool the song is. Now walk out to her. Hey. Oh, so, yeah, the light. Hey, because you're living like a queen. She never clean and whoa. Argument then. You know, okay like some guy. Then I don't feel okay like. You know, can't hold it down like some guy. So you know, so, you know what I don't like them, can't tell this right. Hey, can't pick it, them don't like you, true you don't not. God, them don't like it, you want in our video. Boy, check it up a little bit. Now, Yosh, as a YouTuber on 80 flow, see? Remember when the big brother and my talk about say you have to have lyrics to get girl. Remember them days, eh? We have to walk up to a girl without something well rehearsed in her mind and say roses are red violets. You remember them days? But remember, so nowadays, me don't know. You would get cancelled if you talk to one of them girls. So I don't know the new style. I'm like, no, so when you go out and fresh, you got dream weekend, you can draw up on a girl and look at her. So we can look at them girl, play my level. All of the single ladies, I can't do one of them. You're too light. When I see your fire, you know you're married. Stop it. Alright, level, you? I'm gonna look at the dish. I hear you have it all, girl. Me I beg you some. You mean you say you have it all, everything natural. Pretty from head top to ground, natural. I couldn't care less if she want it. Give the boyfriend bun. I don't care cause father God say we must share our Shabbat say woman can't done. Make it run. Just come look for me and done. Me know say you like me, just give me and done. Sexy, intelligent, pretty and young. Pretty no and done, nothing along down. Don't tell our friend them oh me handsome man, let's not bring up the Samsung. She bring that, everything in my pants come. I make a mother get a grandson. Dream set, aye. You know, if you talk to the ladies, if some guy have them a board, man. Alright. So the ladies say one more time. If you look good in your clothes and you step out, you want man up. And I beg them. Me say, I cannot try to show you hotter than a road and a year for. I can get sexy, you take me hotter than. Remember the one? You remember? Really big up. Alright. That's it. You have it? Yeah, when I work, someone ever sing a song for the girl. Remember that song, yeah? Just already there. What already made in garden? Play it. This are like, no, about 2000 machine of time. One song what it said. Y'all done getting crazy. Y'all done getting crazy. Weekend, you're in your girl's time. So when you see the guys with a big come up, girl. What about going like say? Alright. I like why you start. It's a different show we have to do, because we have to do about the song and from them time now. You have already named Bad Company, remember that already? I think I first video this video. Remember the name? Shelly, are you with that? One song I did say. Check. Come on, Jay, tell it up, come on, I'm here. Another says, I 8-bar intro, this thing you forget. So you want to go on, so song I did say. Anyway, what we do? Everything living dangerously, move fast and pass everything dusty now. People saying assassin must be one of the workers and the toughest in the industry, yeah. Smooth now, but you did, cause these are not chicken in. Can't make them wing touch me. No fish could I never make them fin touch me. No make none of the words I baffling never. Cause drama, you don't wanna bring. Trust me, no feel said the things obviously. Rusty, them scary like Friday 10. Plus 3 little road, you better approach cautiously, boy. Me have to tell your cars over your sleep. You don't know, say that we got the war dusky. I mean, no need no friend to bar, but just me. I defend meeting anytime, so don't tell them. Do me tell you. And I come with it, say, yeah, dance all right, play dance all right. But remember that one, I'm sure. Now, big up all of the 80s, 90s people, them Uber 2000, big up on yourself. And I'm going to say 70s people there too. Anybody from the 70s, don't shame. Yeah, what I say. 60s there. Don't sound like I do in the 90s, 40s. Yeah, man, tell them, say, we are not afraid. All them are one another, them face. We are not afraid. All them are so man attack and a chase. We are not afraid. When them are pass the base and all them ways. We are not afraid. All who not take come and them face tell them.
Why you kiss that girlie?
What you want to know? Don't you think I'm come to it? What you want to know? Shoot you on this man stab. Don't beat it for your man. Boy, you want to pin a move now. You must see man. Don't beat. You never said what it said. Here we are back from. There's a chance and time and sax. You know you really back from. No matter the era, clean out always aware. Them have a style where them say, a barefoot pants, then they got tight pants, then they got big pants again. But clean out is a thing I always aware, regardless. It's aware from 80s, 90s, forward to 2025, still alive. All of the clean out people are your songs, you know business of anything, Dr. J. And if you add up clean down the world, all of the clean out people, them are you sing a part of it now. Robbie and say,
when I see my friends become my enemy,
boy,
I am still mad.
if you don't have a good friend, you have done my head, so. Hey, you massive say, because I say what?
But the I can't sleep with room.
Oh, there you are like the trees they come.
I patient slowly.
Say I know, oh yes you know.
But the I can't
You tell them we know so.
meditation.
We so like, boy, and they shall show all the door. Hey, you shall man say, hear me know. No for them now go like that junior. Bad man stuff in them made like a tumor. Say, them fake like cheese right. Pan a night made by Puma. Tell go leap and I saw the leap a rumor. Start go you natty them. Say you crack out, get you. Visa you fly out, never pray for you jump out them all. See them gonna calculate pain and you back out. How them say them and your friend, but them aren't mama for the clean out. Say, But dirty heart
can't sleep with room.
oh, they don't like the trees we can and they shall say, oh yes, you know, carefully. And me tell you, clean out always away. And a long time bad man will get burned out. Play me level. Remember the great Bob Marley tell you, man to man, and so I don't hear you really say, you don't know what, who. I hear your massive it say, your worst enemy could be. Hear what the great man say, and your best friend, what, your first. Oh Lord God, because of what them do, cause some may eat and drink with you. Oh yes, you know, so that's true. And then what? And then behind. And you know even about you. The man say, it's only your friend, no your secret. So you should, it's only, and she took. Oh let the clean out people say, who that can. Oh Lord. Hey, you shall see, I say, who the can? Say what? Oh, can you bring them Dr. Dre? I say, oh, don't you can't see it grow. Oh, they don't like the trees we can't blow. And they shall surely remix. You seek about only vanity, they got no love for humanity. They shall say what? I thank you, darling. Should I see? Now, you might can play the next one, you know we should have play. Now, the earth is there with them understand them juggling them. Mad summer. And you should myself, I'm on the ocean like a pitbull. Mix with a rotten, knock them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty, say you know for them. Love the matchy, chatty like a peeping Tom. With a motor, so trying to mix up the original. Never mix the marijuana plant with the papi. And now no rent a jet, no figure mix up with the naughty. Say no passion girl, can't come and tell man. I'm in love with girls and caramel, a little coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she feel classy. I'm talking about that girl, mix it up, loud that she have a smile. Hey, hey, what she says she love, don't put on the selfish mix it up. I'm talking about the church chicken more than teriyaki. Hey, you try out the PE nutter, then with the machine. Oh girl, your love. Hey, watch out, no back, I say your love. You know what somebody say? And I know we make you not to watch her. I know we make you my wife it up. She don't get up and say, I know we. Oh, you can pull out the rhythm, so Dr. Dre. Oh, alright, to my job for the original. So, Dreammaker. Hey, you massive big arguments. Hey, I know we make you not to watch her. I know we make you my wife it up. She don't get away, so I know we make she done. It can't be get from out of here. No man don't know the personal. And so we stay your cars anywhere we go. So boy, see that no time. Come on, keep on be done with her. And to the woman want to give it some. It don't about them getting and say, man, anywhere we go. Make the person, they gotta run with her. So boy, see that no life. Now I don't remember the verse, play me level. And to the woman want to give it some. It don't about them getting bad. Hey, dream weekend. We touch the sweet and so we sweet like with my honey. Them I must be the one me see them as around me. Yes, the one the girls that got around me. Only that piece of them and no water. Them would have drowned me. Woman a email and them a text and I found me. Gala says she home alone. That means she lonely. Time alone but have to spend. Now have to spend the money. If we make the girl feel not big on me. But then I only found me. And I tell me say she has something to show me. Say she want to give me right. Something she own me. And I tell me say that if it fat up the tongue. She want to